a matter of time. Dark skies and howling winds. The sun is come and gone. What stands will surely fall. Chaos is coming. Chaos is coming down. It's gonna rain. Won't wash away my sins. All things have a price. Some things you can't forgive. Board up every door. We won't outlast the storm. Chaos is coming. It's gonna rain.
Baler's doing okay, Claude?
Yeah, you betcha. It's kind of fun. Get out here, nice weather, nice wind, keeping it dry right behind the combines.
All right.
It's fun. First time I get to go four balers this year, so lots of tonnage, lots of output. I'm actually quite happy. Yeah.
I'm back with Nadia here today. And I'm interviewing her.
Yeah.
A proper interview.
The roles have been switched, I guess.
Yeah. How do you feel being on the spotlight?
Oh, just, you know, it's awesome. I love being on this channel. So, video I did earlier was pretty cool. So, I'm glad to be back.
Yeah, I'm getting good feedback. A lot of people said you did really well.
Good, I'm happy.
So, one more week here at the farm?
Yeah, one more week, then off to university. I'll be on and off, kind of. I've got a hockey camp in Peace that I'm helping coach, so I'll be mostly mornings and evenings. I'll be here next week.
And playing for the Fredericton University.
Yeah, St. Thomas University it's called.
Are they a good hockey team, do you know?
They're all right. This year they missed the playoffs, but 21 years before that they had made it every single year.
Oh boy.
They broke the streak this year, but hopefully we can get back on it, build another one.
They got a goal scorer in you, right? That's what you're known for?
We'll hope, yeah. Kind of both, depends.
Oh, you do?
Boys hockey, I used to get a lot of assists and make a lot of passes, but then switched to girls hockey and somehow I became a goal scorer, I guess.
4 balers going?
Yeah, we got the whole crew running today. We don't know how well those John Deere balers will do, but they seem to be doing pretty good right about now. They've been in storage for about a year or so, those John Deeres.
So I was asked the question, why there's not many women farming. Can you answer that?
That's a hard question because I don't know, I like farming and I'm happy here, but I know a lot of women wouldn't be. So, but I feel like it's, I don't know, stereotypes maybe?
But it's your plan C.
Plan C, yeah.
Maybe
I don't know if I could do this for a lifetime.
But if your hockey career doesn't work to maintain a living, or your policing that you're in school for, you'd gladly come back?
We'll come back. Oh yeah. No, I'm happy here. It's good.
Do you like the Peace Country?
Oh yeah. I hopefully I can come back there. It depends on my career and stuff, especially policing. RCMP officer, they place you and they move you every 5 years, but hopefully I can somehow find a career to get out of that and come back here. Oh yeah, this is a spot to be for sure.
So back in the day, I mean, there's my generation of, I think there's only a few that worked at the farm, Cut-in and Lorraine, and I think that's about it.
For women?
For women, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if those numbers are growing, but I got my little sister in this year.
Yeah.
She's working this year.
Did she drive equipment? What did she mainly do?
Yeah, she mainly does maintenance, but sometimes we'll need like a raker or a reconner, and she'll gladly come and help.
Yeah.
Yeah, she can barely see over the steering wheel, but that's okay.
Oh, she's sorry.
Yeah.
Oh. We won't make Mac jokes here.
That's funny.
Mac, that one's for you.
Yeah, that's definitely my dad's genes for sure.
So what other tasks have you done at the farm in the last? I think you've been 3 years at the farm now, or
I have 4.5, something like that. I don't know. Lots of summers.
And what's your favorite
14.
thing on the farm?
Baling is up there. What I'm doing now, it's my happy place. Yeah, you don't, unlike braking or reconning, you actually have to pay attention and move a little bit so you don't get like zombie. But no, it's good. You just play some music and you just go. Busy time is good. That's why I'm here. That's when they need manpower. Just like they have 4 balers in this field and this field only. So.
Felix,
How are you?
how about you?
Good, good.
Picking up bales.
Yeah, I guess so.
Why'd you
job
say
for
I
today.
guess so?
I didn't really expect to come pick bales this weekend-ish, but hey, farming. It's life.
What did you want to be doing?
I mean, there's nothing better to do, but just waiting for hockey to start. The regular.
Where are you going to be playing hockey this year?
Peace over again one more year, and then hopefully move to GP and play higher caliber hockey.
So Peace River Navigators?
No, Peace River Royals, the U18 AA team. Navigators are junior B.
Oh, that was a crunch of a bale there.
Yeah, they do that. They tend to do that. Oh, that bale might be a problem now. Well, I guess I'll have to go fix that.
All right.
I'm gonna have to climb.
What excites you the most about farming?
Really just being with my cousins and stuff. Really carrying on the legacy of what the farm has done and what my grandfather and all of my uncles, I guess, my dad's uncles, have built up to what it is now. And I don't know, it intrigues me and it's a lifestyle that I want to pursue for sure.
And you love the Peace Country?
Oh, I love it. Beautiful. I find that it's very underrated for what it is. Beautiful place.
Our question, or do you plan to go to like a post-secondary education like
Yeah,
Mason or Nolan?
kind of planning on going to Vermilion, do some sort of crop technology program, and see where it goes from there. Then come back, and that's what I have brought to the farm. I'm thinking about doing an apprenticeship too, next year through school, so like the RAP program for heavy-duty mechanic, some sort of mechanic, and yeah, just to bring something to the farm.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'll explain the process a bit. So every 4th and 7th stack that we do, we have this automatic tie, and that middle bale, it'll go up and it'll get pushed down, and you see those 2 holes on each side. there's spikes that'll come right through those, and it'll hold the 2 bales on the side in place, and then they'll kind of rotate, and they'll still be standing straight up, and they'll rotate, and then after it's gonna put 2 bales up and then flip up. So there's gonna be a little rod that comes up, and it's gonna stop the second bale from going anywhere, and every time it pushes that button, or that lever I should say, it'll flip those 2 bales up, and it'll do it 3 times. And then after, once they're even with the ones on the sides that are in length like this sort of thing, so you have the one here, once the 2 flip up in the middle 3 times, I'll take it down, and then after I'll go back to putting 3 bales like normally. Yeah. 3 cycles of 2, and then do 2 cycles of 3, and that will make just the pile that those three bales on the bottom will just support that stack, and it'll kind of make it like, it's kind of like a beam in a house. Yeah, if you want to take a video of it, just right now, it'll flip that bale. After this thing, I was gonna blow it off.
Ouais, la première table, quand les balles embarquent, là, tu lèves, tu nettoies ta cheminée, puis la table abaisse, ça c'est bon. Yeah.
And that's why Claude is the boss.
Good. Okay, fingers clear. There you go. Yeah, so we can actually come on.
Yep.
There you go. Thanks.
Felix, I'm gonna go now. Thanks for everything.
Hey, got to a shit show, but whatever. Thank you for coming.
All right, we'll see you again soon.
See you.
Bye-bye.